Monogram Ice Maker Repair Service in Los Angeles specializes in GE Monogram Ice Maker Repair, Portable Ice Maker Repair, Monogram Under-Counter Ice Maker Repair, Monogram Ice Maker Repair parts, along with all other GE Monogram Ice Maker models. If your Monogram Ice Maker needs repaired or your Monogram Ice Maker needs serviced, maybe your Monogram Ice Maker's not making ice anymore, or it doesn't stay cool enough, or your Monogram Ice Maker might need replaced. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.